Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. We've got a super quick one for you guys today. We're going to show you how to add and use an email signature within Microsoft Outlook. Now before we get started with that, if you're interested in your own copy of Microsoft Office or other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll have links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get started. So we're here in Outlook and I'm going to start to compose a new email. So in the Home tab, I'll press New Email. I'll choose my recipient. And this little icon here says Signature. So underneath this, we can click Signatures. And as we can see, we don't have any signatures currently. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new one. Now I'll name this signature Indigo Software. That's the name here, and then this box below is where we actually create and edit the signature. Now you can also copy and paste this if you have one already. So I'll go ahead and create one right now. Now this isn't actually Indigo Software phone number, I'm just putting in something for an example. And then a little quick tip for you guys, if you want to write something like click here or website and then actually have that link to your website, we can do Control K to insert a hyperlink. And then just go ahead and enter the address down in the bar down here. And we'll press OK. So I'm pretty happy with that signature. We're now going to click on Save. We can also select the replies and forwards that this gets attached to. I'll just click it as none and I'll show you guys how to manually do that. So we've got this one in here. I'm going to create another one and this will be my personal. So put Gabe. And another option you have is to add a business card. And then we have some formatting options, font size, bold, italic, underline, etc. So you can really format this how you want, make it look nice, include an image of yourself maybe, but that's where you create or paste in your signature. We'll press save again. So now we have Gabe and we have one for Indigo Software. And we'll press OK down at the bottom. And now if we go back to the signature icon, we have a drop down to choose from either one. So I'll just type a little message here and then I'll go ahead and drop in my signature. Now I hope you guys found this helpful because this can definitely save you a lot of time if you're either typing or pasting in your signature each and every time. You can access it now very simply from this little drop down menu within Outlook. So that's going to do it for this video. If you guys have any questions about this, drop those in the comment section below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Again, be sure to check out Indigo Software if you're interested in Office or other Microsoft software at a great price. So thanks for watching and we'll see you guys next time.